Hello, this is Tom Caldwell at tomcaldwellonline.com, where you learn how to earn money online without wasting time and money. In today's video, we will cover how to create a blog post using 3 simple hacks. So let's get right into it. Here we are on my website, my blog called tomcaldwellonline.com. We will click on Read More, which will take us to the blog post. How to create a blog post using 3 simple hacks. In this blog post and video, you will learn how to use 3 simple hacks to research and create 12 blog post topics so that you can create a blog post 1 per week for the next 12 weeks. This is a part of a blog series and a YouTube video playlist that is entitled How to Set Your Online Business and Get It Running in 7 Days. You can read this blog post or you can watch the video by clicking right here. Table of contents. 1. Nothing new under the sun or the internet. Number 2. Keyword research is critical. Number 3. 3 hacks to use when creating your blog post. 4. Here are 5 additional tips for writing your blog post. 5. Use these blog topics for the next 90 days to build your online business. And in conclusion, okay, there is nothing new under the sun. Don't worry about creating something new that no one has thought of before. Simply do your research and use it for inspiration. Then create a blog post by putting your own experience, style, personality, and spin on the information that you have gathered. You are looking for people who resonate with you personally. There are people out there on the internet that will enjoy your writing style and personality. Don't worry about it. Just be yourself. Keyword research is critical. The keywords that you use will make or break your ability to rank and be found on search engines such as Google, Bing, or Yahoo. So choose your keywords wisely. What is a keyword? Well, Wikipedia defines keywords like this. Keywords in the internet search is a word or phrase typically used by bloggers or online content creators to rank a web page or on a particular topic. Index term, a term used as a keyword to document in an information system, which is a catalog or a search engine. Keyword also in advertising in form of online advertising. Use keyword research tools such as Ubersuggest or H-Super tools to conduct and choose your keyword phrases. For more information on keyword research, read my blog post, which you can read by clicking right here. 3 simple hacks to use when creating a blog post. When creating a blog post, answer questions that people in your niche are asking. The following 3 hacks are information that comes from Kat Sullivan at marketingsolved.com, and I quote her here below. Here are 3 tools for you to create unlimited content ideas. A website called alsoasked.com. Want to see questions what questions are being asked around your products or expertise? This tool will give you a free map filled by questions that help you understand exactly. Let me get rid of this thing here. This tool will give you a tree map filled with questions that help you understand exactly what your potential customers are looking for, so you can provide content that gives them the solution. Thank me later for this smiley face. AnswerThePublic.com is also a website. If you haven't heard of this one yet, it's going to become your next favorite tool. This is a social listening tool that provides you a wealth of information. Type in a research term or phrase and check out what other questions are being asked and what statements are being made you can create content that appeals directly to your audience. And then there's a website called titlegenerator.com. This ninja tool creates 700 headlines based on your search terms with one click. Content ideas plus catchy headlines plus ad campaign plus email subject lines, emotional titles, simple, efficient, one click. Here are 5 additional tips for writing your blog post. These 5 steps are quoted from a WordStream blog post that you can read by clicking right here. How to write a blog post in 5 easy steps. This is the summary. Step 1. Plan your blog post by choosing a topic, creating an outline, conducting research, and checking your facts. Step 2. Craft a headline that is both informative and will capture your reader's attention. Step 3. Use your blog, write your post, either writing a draft in a single session or gradually writing on parts of it. Step 4. Use images to enhance your post, improve its flow, add humor, and explain complex topics. Number 5. Edit your blog post. Make sure to avoid repetition. Read your post aloud to check its flow. Have someone else read it and provide feedback. Keep sentences and paragraphs short. Don't be a perfectionist. Don't be afraid to cut out text or adapt your writing last minute. Use these blog post topics for the 90-day online business setup. To learn more about the 90-day business setup, read my blog post by clicking here, or watch my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Conclusion. Use this information to create and write your blog post. You may be nervous about writing, but face your fear and do it anyway. The hard part is getting started. So force yourself to start, and you will soon be in the flow, and before you know it, you will have a blog post written. Write your first draft. Write it nonstop. Write fast. Do not worry about spelling, grammar, or proper punctuation. Just get it done. If possible, let it set for a day or 2. Then go back and edit for thought, spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Have someone else read your blog post draft and point out any errors that they see if possible. Make the corrections and hit the publish button. Nothing is written in stone. You can always edit the post at a future date. Okay, just do it. And here's my little advertisement at the end of my blog post. If you are sincere about earning money online, then you need to watch this video that my mentor has recorded. You will learn how to create a $3,000 monthly residual income over the next 90 days. Think about it. What would your life be like with an additional $3,000 per month? Click the button below to watch the most important video that you will watch all year. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you found value. If you have, please give me a like, a comment, and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any other training that I have coming up in the future. I try to post 1 training per week, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.